High-tech lovers. Today we're checking out 7 amazing gadgets that you need to see. So let's dive in. Keep your ride safe and sound with the BIKING Foldable Lock *. Whether you're on a road bike, scooter, or e-bike, this anti-theft chain lock has got you covered. Its foldable design makes it compact and easy to carry, while the heavy-duty construction ensures top-notch security. Perfect for cyclists on the go, this lock is your ultimate peace of mind. The smooth folding mechanism makes it a breeze to stash in your bag or attach to your bike frame. Ride freely, lock securely. Keep your tech sparkling clean with the Cleaning Kit *. Your all-in-one solution for all things digital. Designed for MacBooks, iPads, iPhones, AirPods, and even PC monitors, this compact kit has everything you need. It includes a soft brush for dusting, a gentle spray for smudges, and tools to reach every nook and cranny. The sleek blue design is as stylish as it is practical, making it the perfect companion for your gadgets. Whether you're cleaning your keyboard screen or earbuds, this kit keeps your devices looking and working like new. Stay fresh, stay clean. Say hello to the future of typing with the portable Bluetooth virtual laser keyboard *. This sleek pocket-sized gadget is your ultimate on-the-go companion. Simply connect it to your computer or mobile phone via Bluetooth, and watch as a full-sized keyboard star. But wait, there's more. It even comes with mouse function, giving you complete control at your fingertips. Not only does this futuristic gadget project a full-sized keyboard and offer mouse functionality, but it also doubles as a power bank to charge your mobile devices on the go. Start your mornings the Green Life way with the 3-in-1 breakfast maker station. This all-in-one kitchen wonder is here to make your breakfast routine faster, easier, and healthier. With its ceramic non-stick dual griddles, you can whip up eggs, sausage, bacon, pancakes, or even breakfast sandwiches, all at once. Plus, it comes with a handy 2-slice toast drawer for perfectly golden toast every time. Brighten up your workspace with the LED reading desk lamp *. Your perfect partner for productivity and comfort. This sleek, portable lamp features touch dimming, letting you adjust the brightness to suit your needs, whether you're reading, working, or studying. With eye protection technology, it provides gentle, flicker-free lighting to reduce strain during long hours. Plus, it comes with a USB charging port, so you can power up your devices while you work.
Introducing the future of travel with these innovative smart luggage. First, the electric smart luggage, equipped with a built-in motor, effortlessly follows you through airports and travel terminals. Next, the cycling trolley case designed for easy maneuvering. Then the smart boarding case, packed with tech-savvy features like USB charging ports to keep your devices powered up on the go. For those on the move, the walking suitcase gives you the ultimate convenience with a lightweight frame that glides along effortlessly. Need more power? The manned boarding case includes a self-driving feature for hands-free navigation. Plus, a USB charging pot with a phone holder ensures your devices stay within reach and fully charged. And with a 3-speed adjustable modes, you can customize your travel experience for comfort and speed.
Meet the Maki StarCraft mouse, your ultimate gaming sidekick. With 8,000 DPI precision, it's a pro at accuracy. Its ergonomic design keeps you comfy for hours, while multi-device connectivity lets you switch between gadgets effortlessly. Need a quick boost? The quick charge feature has your back. Plus, customizable DPI ** means it adapts to your style.